happening, ladies and gents? I'm Nisha and Des is behind the camera. So today I'm doing the pantry. This is something that I talked about in my second video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my pantry, which is this area right here. So here we have all the pasta, pots, takeaways. Next shelf is canned goods, vinegar, stuff of that nature. Then third shelf is miscellaneous stuff. As you can see, everything is like discombobulated, like I was in a rush to put it together. Any seasoning you can name under the sun is on this door. And I also have some on top of the microwave, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm just going to redo my pantry. And you see all this mess? I have shopping bags that I never unpacked. I have to-go bowls, gumballs, M&Ms, and I have this little cabinet over here. So this is where I store the extra food. Now, tomorrow, what I'm going to do is clean all of this out. And when I clean all of this out, I got to build the cabinet. And once I build the cabinet, then that's when you'll see this area here and the pantry reorganized and how easy it is to do. Okay, so stay tuned.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list.
And watch me do what I do, boo. Ladies and gents, yes, I am back, and I told you I will be. So I'm showing you the pantry that is around the corner from the mini storage area that I decorated in the black, gray, and the white. So as you can see, that's just showing you that area from the previous video. So now I'm going to surprise you with the pantry that I did around the corner that I showed you. I reorganized everything. I went and did what I needed to do. And this is how we take a small area and maximize the size. So, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the area, y'all. So yes, I have actually surprised y'all, like I said, and I just did a little 1, 2, 3 on the door, you know, just to spiff it up a little bit. This is the cabinet that was here before, but I repurposed it. This is snacks, more juices. As you can see, here is cups and iced tea. This one here is more cans, cookies, and water. And the bottom is more drinks. So, and I brought this other cabinet here to show y'all that I have more storage. So, as you can see here, the door opens that way. So, we have the tea, cereal, candy, juice, baked goods, more Ziploc bags, bathroom products and oral products and hygiene products at the bottom. So this is an all-in-one storage. At my top, you see my juicer, more chocolate, milk, and, you know, cutlery for when company comes over, which is not that often. So I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you like, subscribe, and put on your notifications bell, because I will try to be more consistent with those videos. Bye guys.
You're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be